It's just I have ice cream so hot outside, you know?
That's ours. Please respect it.
We are recording YouTube video.
Stop recording.
Relax.
Yeah, kind of.
I just want to try your food if it's good. You waiting someone?
No.
So I can join you. Okay.
No problems. Are you eat this one?
I eat the ice cream because I'm... Can I join you with your food? Okay lang? Dami. Dami kayo. Before we start, get a moment to like, share, and subscribe this channel with all your friends.
Basha PHTV.
Yeah. Yes, today super hot today. I don't know what happened to the weather. So hot, really. The weather outside too much hot. I don't know what happened, you know. I'm trying to walk in the streets, sweating everywhere. There's ice cream here. Yeah.
Hey,
I just excuse me. Just wait. I'm talking in the phone. Just wait. I'm talking in the phone. Just wait. It's just I have ice cream so hot outside, you know.
that's ours. Please respect it.
You don't scare me!
You serious?
She say respect. Tell her sharing is caring. Just wait. Excuse me. We are recording YouTube video.
Stop recording.
Relax.
No! God, please, no! No!
Okay, then just relax. Don't feel bad. The most important.
Basha PHTV.
Hi. How are you?
We're fine.
Good. Okay. Am I disturbing you?
Yeah, kind of.
Kinda. Okay. I just want to try your food if it's good. Super lami. But why he's shy?
I don't know.
Are you okay? Are you in diet? Why you don't have food?
He actually ate before we ate out.
Okay. Ano po?
Actually already ate before I
So what you invite me for? I would like to try your... Is it okay to join you with the food?
It's actually fun, but we don't have much.
Thank you. Thank you. Are you okay?
Yeah, I think so.
You okay? Wow, you're okay. So I can join you now. Okay, thank you. Thank you for allowing me to join you, huh?
we didn't say
I say, are you okay? You say, okay.
excuse me, what do you want?
What I want.
What do you need?
What I need?
Yeah, right now.
I just don't want to be alone and, you know.
Because we still have friends coming by, so I think it's.
So, okay, that's good. More fun to be more group and more friends, diba?
I think so. But I think he's not that comfortable.
So, it's okay for you, is that okay for him? What's your name?
I'm John. I'm not really comfortable talking with you or like strangers.
Why? Because of the English?
It's not that I can actually converse in English, but
I can see your accent, so good.
I'm not really comfortable with strangers.
Okay,
do you have,
sige.
what do you want?
No, nothing. I just want to be with company with some people.
Yeah, it's kind of weird.
Okay, what I want, I cannot get what I want from you. Because I'm trying to tease you and to annoy you, but you never get angry. You are so cool. Let's say hi to the camera.
Hi.
We are recording video on YouTube. Sorry again for disturbing you. Just say bye.
Basha PHTV.
Oh my god, so init outside, you know? Super init outside. Can I have your, this one what? Is it water or soft drink? Super lami. It was so hot. Kamusta? Yeah? You waiting someone?
No.
So I can join you. Okay.
No crabs. Are you eat this one?
I eat the ice cream because I'm mabait.
You like that? Eat. Join me.
Okay. Okay, wait, sir.
Yes, sir.
You already beat me, huh? You already beated me because I came here just to tease you and to make you angry that I'm eating your food. But before I start making you angry, you are inviting me for more things to eat and to join you and for ice cream. So thank you so much. You are so about it. We are only recording video on YouTube. We are making prank with you and recording video in YouTube, but you beat me that you are some about it. You never get angry, and you really want me to join you and you are offering me more food. That's some about it, Ka, okay? I want him to be angry, but he's the one who offering me more food. Okay, I say, okay, take this ice cream, take this fries, take this fine. I can do nothing. I cannot make him angry this one. Yes, thank you so much, and nice to meet you.
Basha PHTV.
Hello. Can I join you with your food? Okay, huh? Dami. Dami kayo. But you ordered only fries and you ordered only 3. You didn't order for me yet? Why you didn't order for me? You don't have money to order for. Oh, there's fries. Bruh. So mabait, you give it to me all. Thank you. It's fine now? That's mine? Okay, right? Oh, salamat. Okay, just we are recording video behind you. And a social experiment.
Basha PHTV.